Guys, what's going on? Just got done putting the air filter back on. We actually shot a spark plug in the middle of the night, causing a bunch of misfires, and this thing literally sounds like a boat now. We shot the #1 cylinder and cracked the coil, sent the spark plug out with the threads from the cylinder, so from the head I should say. So we're gonna have to retap it. I'm not even gonna lie, like I haven't slept in like a day and a half already. Shout out to Matt Glasscock first and foremost for coming and picking us up. He's on his way right now. He not only supports me and sponsors me as a rider, but like as a friend, he's there to come like actually help other riders out. So I'm super tired. Looking forward to the weekend. So I'll get back to you. Peace.
Heavily. Fuck you, lady.
Heavily. What is up, guys? It is your least favorite moto vlogger, Brian636. We are at a session called You're Not Invited, hosted by my dear friend, Joe. Some of you guys might know him as highsidejoe or whatever. We got so many cool ass people out here. We got ZackGoes here. We got DirtBikecody. We have so many like cool different people of bike life here that it's sure to be a good time. Bunch of cool dudes out here. Alright, some rollers. Decent. Sure to be an interesting vlog. It's a little bit wet, so I don't know about stoppies today. But yeah, it's on. Got a dude out here in a full tracksuit. Hey. Brian! Good to meet you, man. No way. Hell yeah. I don't even know what to put on there. Dude, this looks like a fucking, like you were like a clown in your past life and you've been out of work for a long time or something. You know what I mean?
Don't be afraid to draw over shit.
That's what's up. Tagging the Goes Gang van. Look at this cozy corner, huh? Yeah. Dude, I need the extended van, man. You got like an extra like 2 or 3 feet. I got old Matt Glasscock here. I think we're gonna do some high chip burners, baby. Wet, it's cold, it's miserable, but being here with all my friends kind of makes it worth it. So I'm trying to talk. Like I said in the earlier part of this video, yeah, my man. My van broke down, so it's been a long day. It's been a long day.
It's way better than I do. You got this all day.
I just turn it left.
Kind of like put pressure on your bar so make it start to turn a little bit, and then when you're ready to test,
hold in the clutch and push off.
yes, got it.
A little stall action on the dumpster. Little stalls. We got my man DirtBikecody out here. Oh, that's dope. Whoa, my man's out here rolling them wet stoppies. Wet. We got another dude, great fighter, Wyatt. All right, I'm gonna look over some of these pictures and films and get back to you.
Yeah, it's on.
I'm live on Craigslist.
You can find me on Craigslist?
You can find my buddy Hawk here on Craigslist. Remember there was really nice sheriffs that were on top of the hill at the last lot? Well, I guess they got sick of us, so now we're at the second lot. It's still raining. My bike's, you know, my bike's actually not running that bad compared to other people's, but yeah, we're gonna go send it, guys. Got my man ZackGoes out here on that YZ125, baby. Extra wet, extra sloppy. Get it, baby. My man, this is so cool. What's up, buddy? I like your bike. That thing's awesome. Yeah, our bikes match. I like it. That's so awesome, man. Now that's parenting done right there. Oh no, shit. You good, buddy? You okay? Poor Colt. Guys, we said it jokingly, but we're just the kind of guys that are stupid enough to actually do it. I'm gonna ride a 2-stroke, and he's gonna ride a 4-cylinder 4-stroke. Okay. Do you know where the key is? It's right. So reach your hand under. Right there.
Wait a second. You have watched the videos, right?
This man is on my bike. Hold on. Hey.
About power bands, right?
Oh yeah. Look at this man on a 636. Oh man. To get it up in the rain, don't give it clutch. Oh my God! Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa!
Let's get the hang of this thing. I'm about to scrape it.
I know you did. Where's the kickstand?
You thought I wasn't gonna wheel it.
Oh, I know. I never ever have people riding this bike. My heart's like.
Let me ride it, bro. That was fucking awesome.
That was crazy. Alright guys, my boy Danny over here has watched a few of my how-to wheelie videos. I see him out here, he's putting in work, he's got a good cage, everything like that. I'm gonna get on this stock F4i right now. This thing is literally stock, right?
Yep.
Stock.
Different exhaust.
Nothing. So, as everyone knows, an exhaust doesn't do jack shit. So, I guess I'm gonna try this thing out, put some work in on her. Look at these high bars. This thing's sweet, dude. So she wheelies.
First day out on a lot, dude.
Is it really? That's always cool when I get to meet people like that and they let me ride their bike just out of spite that they've watched my how-to videos. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Just drip a little bit of this goop. Ooh, there she blows. I do it for the health effects, honestly. I just feel like it's good for me.
Deep Nation. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'm wet, I'm cold, my socks are soaked. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends. Here's what it is. It's been an interesting trip so far, and if you liked it, you liked it. Peace.